guys, this is my puzzle. Right now it's all mixed up, but I'll put it together. This goes here. You can make your own puzzle. I made this.
What's in the puzzle? Who did you make it from?
Rainbow Friends.
Rainbow Friends.
You can tell that's green and blue. And you'll see the ducky yellow guy. See, he's right here. And then, if you guys ever play Rainbow Friends, put the comments down below. And make sure to subscribe to this video, if I get my own puzzle right. That goes there. That goes there. This piece goes here. Cause got one more piece. And boom.
Good job. All right, anything else you want to say to your followers?
Hope you had a good day. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell button. And you can also make your own puzzle. Bye.